Onion with grapefruit, a remedy to finish aggressively with all the bad fat of the abdomen. Abdominal fat is a problem that many people around the world have to deal with. Although the majority only considers it an aesthetic problem, the truth is that this problem is more than that. According to experts, the accumulation of abdominal fat contributes to contracting some diseases. That is why it is very important that we pay attention to this type of condition. Both experienced doctors and nutritionists agree that the best way to get rid of abdominal fat is with a balanced diet and constant physical activity. However, they recognize that there are things that can help us achieve that goal. They can serve as a complement to reach our goal in a short time. A great option to combat abdominal fat and excess cholesterol is onion with grapefruit. This remedy is extremely effective and helps us to have quick results. In this video we will show you how you can prepare this remedy easily. Benefits of onion with grapefruit. By all is well known that both ingredients have many medicinal properties. These have the ability to purify our body and improve digestion. Among other things, they help us keep our liver and colon clean. The onion is rich in multiple properties, cholesterol-lowering substances and the risks of heart disease. On the other hand, there are its anti-inflammatory and diuretic properties, which stimulate the elimination of excess fluid in the body and tissue disinflammation. In addition, it is considered the natural appetite suppressant #1 worldwide. So that you can benefit from all these properties, then we will leave you the recipe of this remedy. What we will need: an onion, grapefruits 2 units, mineral water 1½ liters. Preparation and use: we started peeling and grinding the onion. Then wash the grapefruit and cut into slices without peeling. Then pour the water into a pot and bring to boil with the onion and grapefruit. Let it boil for about 15 minutes and filter the mixture, placing it in a container to reserve it. This drink can be kept at room temperature or in the refrigerator. This remedy can be taken in 3 or more doses a day. The ideal would be to have a cup before or during the 3 meals of the day. Repeat this process for 3 days in a row and rest a week before resuming this remedy. If you do not like the bitter taste of the drink, you can add some natural honey to improve its flavor.